Want to learn how to unpin conversation on Snapchat? Unpinning conversation means it is no longer at the top of your chat list. This is possible only if you unpin a pinned conversation and make it as normal as other conversation. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to unpin conversation on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom bar. Long tap on particular person you want to unpin conversation of. Tap on chat settings. Tap on unpin conversation. There you go, this simple steps will show you how to unpin conversation on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.